Toyota Tundra. I don't even know what year it is, but if your spring breaks, we'll put one of these. But that's not the problem. The problem is somebody changed the fuel pump and the car will not start. So I'm gonna drop the fuel pump down, the gas tank I meant, and see what the problem is. Well, they left the tank loose, a new bolt here, and well, this side is tight. This probably they put the wrong bolt in here. I have to drop it down to see the wire. Before I drop the fuel tank down, I would like to see this fuel pump module over here. If the power gets here, this module is burned. I need that test light, Agustin. Can you drop that test light down here? I checked the wires. I'm getting power, I'm getting ground. So I end up, the module was bad. So I went and replaced it and start right up. Problem was the module. They went and replaced the fuel pump, I guess for no reason. But it's okay, it's good for the future. At least they got a brand new fuel pump now. Well, he said he did it himself, so I'm surprised he did it on the floor.